In this video, we'll demonstrate how to easily and permanently delete your Facebook account. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Deleting your Facebook account can be a big decision, so make sure you follow these instructions carefully to avoid any mistakes. Now, let's get started. To begin the process of deleting your Facebook account, open the Facebook app on your mobile device or access the Facebook website on your computer. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, look for the menu at the top. Click on the gear icon within the menu to access your settings and privacy options. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll need to navigate to the Account Center. To do this, click on See More within the Account Center section. Within the Account Center, you will find various options related to your account. Look for the option that says Personal Details, which will take you to the option Account Ownership and Control. If you click on it, you will see the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on it too. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. In the next screen, you will need to select the specific Facebook account that you want to delete if you have multiple accounts linked to the same email or phone number. Choose the account you wish to delete. After selecting your account, you will see the option to Delete Account. Click on this option to proceed. Now, click on Continue, and you will see a list of options. Choose any option from the list and tap Continue once more. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password for security purposes. Once you've entered your password, tap Continue to proceed. Finally, you'll reach the Confirm Permanent Account Deletion step. Here, you need to confirm the permanent deletion of your Facebook account. Review the information carefully, and if you're sure about deleting your account, tap the Delete Account button. Once you've completed these steps, your Facebook account will be hidden from the platform, including your profile, name, media content, such as photos and videos, and all your posts. This content will remain hidden for a period of 30 days. During this time, you have the option to restore your account simply by logging back in. However, after the 30-day period, your account will be permanently deleted. That's it. You've successfully learned how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Make sure you are absolutely certain about this decision, as the process is irreversible. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.